Hello, I hope you're really well. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you haven't been here before, my name is Katrina Markham, and on this channel I just like to share different things that I'm doing in my life or different thoughts that I'd like to share. And I am a professional performer, so a lot of my content is sharing about that, but also I plan to do more content to do with my faith and also my experiences with mental health and just other things, lots of variety going on. In this video I'm going to be sharing behind the scenes footage, I guess, of a musical I was doing recently called It Is Well With My Soul, and it was a month ago now that I was doing this show, and it was just, to be honest, it was one of the best experiences I've ever had. It was so fun and just really grateful that I got to be a part of it. Yes, I just wanted to come on here and introduce the video and just say sorry that it's taken a while to get to this point. I might not have said very clearly before, but at the moment I'm on a 6-month tour with another show called Wind in the Willows. You might know the story of Wind in the Willows. I'm doing a musical version of that, touring schools across the UK, and we actually only have 2 weeks left of the 6-month tour, so the time has just flown and it's kept me very busy. But yeah, I was able to video the week of rehearsals and show of It Is Well With My Soul, so this is what this video is going to be. I'm gonna show you footage in this first half of our rehearsal period, which was just so fun. The actors were amazing, so much fun. We just had an amazing time, and I'm really grateful to have had this opportunity. I'll be able to share more about the journey that it's taken to get to this point, but it hasn't been easy. So I'm really grateful that I got to have this time with these people telling such an important and amazing story. So without further ado, let's go to the first day of rehearsals. We are now well on the way with our rehearsal process for It Is Well With My Soul, the musical, new original musical. Here is our writer and leading man, Gareth. He's like the new Lin-Manuel Miranda.
I am. Not sure that's true, but...
He's a very talented person, and I'm so excited because the rehearsal day went really well today. Focus on the driving, but do you want to tell us what we did today, Gareth?
So we did a vocal warm-up, and then we went through the Philip and Lucy duets, which I think all of them take place in the second half.
Yes.
Of the second act. Not the second half of the second act, the second act. Then our director joined us, David Robinson, and we ran all, I think, of the Philip and Lucy scenes.
Yeah. Blocked them all.
Which is really good. Heading into Monday.
Yeah, so really good. I feel really a lot more confident now after getting them all blocked and getting really good feedback from David, really helpful feedback. And yeah, really exciting for the rest of the cast to join us on Monday. And tomorrow is Sunday, and Gareth is going to be on BBC London Radio promoting the show, so that's really exciting. And we're also gonna be doing a massive church crawl. I'm going to one church, Gareth's going to about 10. No, a few to help promote the show. So yeah, we're now going for some well-earned dinner. So we'll catch you soon. I just thought I'd jump in quickly because I didn't film anything on Sunday, but I did want to talk a little bit about the rest of that time that wasn't filmed, because it was a lovely, precious time. So that Saturday evening, I said we were going to get dinner, which is what we did. We went and got fish and chips, some of Birmingham, or Dudley's, sorry, not Birmingham, some of Dudley's finest, I've heard. It was a very nice fish and chip shop, and that was yummy. We sat in like a park eating that. On the Sunday, I went to church with the lady who was hosting me, the lady I was staying with, and it was just such a wonderful time together. And we actually went to another evening service together too, and there were just a lot of things that happened where we thought, God is really moving here, and he's really speaking to us, and it just felt like such a precious time. And for her personally, there were things that happened that was really helpful for her, and just, yeah, it was just it felt like such a precious time full of God's spirit, and it was just really lovely. So there was that. And then after that, on the Monday, the rest of the cast joined us, and you will see the craziness of our time in rehearsals together now. We obviously, some of these videos we look a bit crazy, but that was probably because we were a little bit delirious from working so hard and doing so much, but like in the best way. It was just so much fun. We spent hours together that week and just really got I really had this like great bond with each other, and it was just fabulous. And obviously any points where I'm filming here were points where I was obviously allowed to film, and it was appropriate to film, because obviously in a rehearsal space you're not going to just be filming at any, or on your phone at any given moment, but I was filming when I could and when I was able to. So yeah, and just, I didn't say before, but just to let you know that this musical was about the true story of a man called Philip Bliss, who lived in the 1800s, and his wife Lucy, who's the character that I played. And they wrote the famous hymn "It Is Well," or Philip wrote the famous hymn "It Is Well With My Soul," along with Horatio Spafford, two very interesting men from history that have inspirational stories. So that's just a little snippet. You can go and read about them if you like to. But yeah, let's move on to Monday.
Sorry, I can't do anything but horrible faces.
Hey Josephine.
Hey Caroline. What you got there? I got Papa John's.
Is it dinner time?
It's dinner time. It's been dinner time a long time. Good morning.
Hello. This is day 2 of full cast rehearsals. We're about to begin our run of Act 1.
Whoop, whoop. See how much we remember from yesterday?
Because we blocked it, didn't we? The whole thing. We did blog fag and fab.
We did the whole of Act 1, and then tomorrow, no, not tomorrow, this afternoon we're going to do Act 2. And we're going to have, hopefully, the full show by the end of the day.
Even maybe, when do we start? Act 2, 10:30ish. Would you like to be in my YouTube vlog? Completely up to you.
What is it for? What do you do here?
Well, I'm vlogging the week of rehearsals.
Oh, it's on now.
Yes.
Oh. Hello, YouTube.
This is Ariane.
I am Dutch.
And he's also Gabe, who's
Yep.
Southern American.
And this is Gareth. Do you want to pop
Here's
in?
Gareth, Lin-Manuel
Hello.
Miranda.
That's the main man himself.
Yes.
The main man. Yeah.
Yes. Henry, would you like to be in our
Josephine.
It's Hank. Oh, look, just his hair. Just his hair. Oh. We've got
Okay,
to
are we ready
capture
to begin? Oh.
And there's Hank. Say hello, Hank.
Hello, Josephine.
And there's Caroline again. This is Caroline's YouTube channel, so I'll let
Ding
her do
ding,
it.
time to begin.
Ding a ding ding.
Yeah, we're just about to begin running Act 1. So yesterday was really, really good. Really good. It's been really fun and productive. So yes. Rosie. Oh, Rosie, do you like Instagram?
Do my embarrassing dog voice.
Sorry, I've not videoed much because it's been a busy old time. But it's a busy old time. We started 8:30 rehearsals today. What's the time now, Hank? 9:30. Woo! We are so good. Go up.
I say it is well, you say
It is.
well. It is well.
Where my soul? Where my soul?
I'm tired.
It is well. Where my soul?
Okay. Well, good night. Sleep
Good night and God
You know
bless.
you're filming horizontal, like vertically. That's silly. Oh, really silly.
Oh, it's filming the wrong way.
Yes.
Good night.
Nothing I maybe can't fix.
So it is day 4 of rehearsals, day 3 as a full cast, and tomorrow is the show. All my vlogs have been a bit crazy so far. That's basically what we've been like, just quite hyper and excited and just enjoying all being together. But of course, when we're working hard. No, we have been working really hard. I mean, literally, we was there yesterday for 13.5 hours, I think was our time from arriving at the rehearsal to leaving. So, yeah, we are in a good place, I think. I'm really excited. It's just been such a fun week, so They're here now to pick me up, so gotta go. Take time to breathe. Let the lower lights, let the lower lights, let the lower lights.
I look so boyish.
That's the plan. We are boys. We look quite similar because we've both got rosy cheeks.
Yeah. No, but come on, that really suits it. Your eyes just pop straight out.
It's so pretty. Thanks. So do yours look. Pretty. Who'd like to tell us what's going on?
We eat fishes and chippies after the show.
With mushy pig.
After the show,
Yeah, after our own show.
Gareth asked if we need tickets.
We're
for
all
tonight.
delirious.
Really are. Oh,
Listening to
George,
2005
can we see the
Coldplay.
root beer? And we got some George root beer for character. And Philip Bliss and Lucy Bliss biscuits. Why do we keep doing this accent? What if the accent we use in the show? Anyway. See you soon. Josephine?
I knew you were going to say that.
You turned into a set designer. Wow, it looks so good.
Oh my gosh, she's filming.
Oh my gosh.
Don't look at the Edinburgh one, it's not done. Plus, that wasn't me who did that one.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Did you draw that arrow?
Yeah.
So neat.
So cute.
This time tomorrow, we probably would be finished or nearly finished.
Yeah, that's true.
Wow, what a thought. What a thought. Here come.
This is the most awkward.
It's our pirate movie.
Packing up the rehearsal space.
The end of an era.
End of an era, Gabe.
Year.
Hello. To be honest, I have no idea what I'm going to do with this vlog because every time I've got my camera out to film, it's just been chaotic. We're just quite hyper and excited and busy. But I hope that I am able to use the footage to get a really lovely vlog for you. I'm actually currently getting ready for our show, which is tomorrow. Oh my gosh, let's not think about that too much. That's so scary, but exciting. I'm gonna have to be quiet because my person who's hosting me, I think, is going to sleep. But yeah, I'm just getting ready. It's like on midnight, and we were rehearsing literally from like 8:15 this morning, and then we didn't leave until I got home about 11 at night, which is hilarious. But it's because of it just took a bit longer with dinner and with getting last minute things sorted and unloading the church while we've been rehearsing, ready to join the theatre tomorrow. So all good. It's really funny. Just having such a good time with everyone. Everyone's so funny. But yeah, I'm just getting this done now. I've been home for just over an hour, but I needed to wash my hair and wait for it to dry a little bit too. And I've had a cup of tea and it's actually been nice to just actually chill a little bit. So yeah, I need to find another hairband. The room is a mess. Just been, but it's all good. It's literally all good, and I'm really excited to do the show. I love the show. I think it's brilliant, absolutely fantastic. I'm so happy to be involved in it, and really excited. So I will take you along for the ride, and I think now that rehearsals are pretty much done nearly, we will have a lot more time hopefully to bring you along and show you what we get up to in the next 4 days with the shows that we're doing. It's been a long time coming, this since September, so I'm excited to go on and show you what's next.